all the dreams that you had when it all lay before you, all the plans that you made, all the things you did do, all the schemes that you knew time would bring to fruition. Did they happen? Not so far, at least not to you. Day by day, drops of water wear the stone away. Day by day, drops of water wear the stone away. Getting up, getting out, getting on, getting going. Where's the way at the dreams that you hold in your heart? All the scared little choices you make without knowing. Take away from the thing that you had at the start. Day by day, drops of water wear the stone away. Day by day, drops of water wear the stone away. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday. Day by day, drops of water wear the stone away. Day by day, drops of water wear the stone away. Getting up, getting out, getting on, getting going. Where's a way at the dreams that you hold in your heart? All the scared little choices you make without knowing. Take away from the thing that you had at the start. Day by day, drops of water wear the stone away. Day by day, drops of water wear the stone away. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday. Day by day, drops of water wear the stone away. Day by day, drops of water wear the stone away. Welcome to day 3 of my Advent Songbird challenge. So I've had to put my tinsel on. I thought I would save the tinsel for this moment when I'm going to sing my festive song. That song was called Day by Day, and you might recognise it as the theme tune of Dinner Ladies by the wonderful Victoria Wood. It's a bit of a cheat really, because it's not in Songbirds or Some Enchanted Sunday, but I have performed it as a field sing once or twice, so it does count, I think. And it's kind of a tribute to Jasper Rees, who wrote the biography of Victoria Wood, Let's Do It, and also another book that's come out with some unseen work. And I'm off to hear Jasper talk shortly in York. He's doing a talk for Jessie's Fund. So I'm looking forward to seeing him there and meeting him. So I thought I'd just do that song, because Songbirds does actually feature quite a few Victoria Wood songs, and I'll possibly be doing one or two more of those on other days. So now it's time for my festive song. And this time I was prompted to do this one by my mate George. Now, when I say my mate George, that's what he's called on Instagram. I've never actually met George in real life, but George does a little Tea Time Tunes broadcast every day, which is great. And he did this song yesterday, and I thought I would have to do that song one day. So I wasn't sure which day I was going to do it, but I've decided to do it today. So this is called The Christmas Song. So this is part of my Advent challenge, to do one festive song and one other song every day from December the 1st to December the 24th. And it's all about just raising some awareness and maybe a few pennies to help me take my shows on the road in 2022. So that's what it's all about. There's a little bit in the post about it. If anyone's got any coins to throw in, there's a PayPal link, or something you can do to help me, which is free, is just to like the post, put a nice little comment, and maybe share it. That doesn't cost anything, so hopefully some people can do that. So here's the Christmas song, otherwise known as Chestnuts Roasting on an Open Fire. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh, and every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up in winter clothes. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh, and every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Thank you for listening to day 3 of my Advent Songbird challenge. I forgot what it's called there. This hat's coming off now. There we go. And see what my hair is like. Hat hair. So thank you for watching day 3 of my Advent Songbird challenge. If you liked it, please give me a like or a love. Just go tick. And there we go. And a nice comment would be good as well to keep me going. This is day 3. Tomorrow is day 4. And it's also Field Sing 89. So I'm going to combine the two tomorrow morning. So look out for that on this page tomorrow morning, probably around 10 o'clock, maybe. We'll see. So keep an eye on my page and you'll see that day 4 and Field Sing 89 combined. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.